Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to rip audio CDs with foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If you want to copy songs from an audio CD to your computer in formats like MP3, FLAC, or WAV, this step-by-step guide will help you do it easily. So let's get started. First, insert your audio CD into your computer's CD or DVD drive. Next, open foobar2000. Once the program detects the disk, click the *** file ** menu and choose *open audio CD ***. foobar2000 will read the tracks on your CD and display them in a list. If the CD information is available online, the track names and album details may be filled in automatically. If not, you can edit the information manually before ripping. Now select the tracks you want to copy. To rip the entire CD, simply leave all tracks selected. Click Rip * or choose the ** Convert * option, depending on your foobar2000 version. Next, choose the output format you want, such as *MP3 *, FLAC *, or WAV *. If you're converting to MP3 or another compressed format for the first time, foobar2000 may ask you to install or locate the required encoder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that setup. After that, choose the destination folder where you want the ripped files to be saved. You can also adjust options such as audio quality, bitrate, and file naming before starting the process. Once everything is ready, click * Convert * or Start and wait for the ripping process to finish. When it's complete, open the destination folder to find all of your CD tracks saved as digital audio files, ready to play or transfer to other devices. And that's how you rip audio CDs with foobar2000 on your Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.